In this video, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough to Firebase and its various products. First, brief overview. Firebase is Google's app development platform. It is a full suite of backend tools that include but are not limited to providing you with databases, authentication, hosting, serverless functions, and performance monitoring, all without needing to manage infrastructure yourself. Now, if I move to the documentation page, you can see that Firebase clearly differentiates their products into two main categories: products that would help you build your app, products that would help you run your app. Now, first, we are going to focus on products that would help you build your app. These include, but again are not limited to, enhancing your app with AI features, storing and syncing data at a global scale without managing servers, building and deploying static web apps, protecting user data, basically providing app authentication, and writing backend logic using serverless functions. Now, good part of any product is extensive documentation, and Firebase provides exactly that. Now, when I go into the documentation, you can see that for each product, if I hover it and expand it, you can see that they have clear examples, code snippets in various languages, not just in one. Like you can code it in iOS, Android, Flutter, Web. For example, if I go into this, we'll see that it has given exact console commands, scripts, what to run, how to initialize it, setup, sign in, all that stuff. So you can see there is extensive documentation for most common languages that you could code these products in. If I go back to the overview section, the other part that was both the Firebase that matters is products that would help you run your app. And these include apps that would be used to improve app stability, performance, iterate and update your app dynamically, collect your user feedback effectively and test your app before release, how to understand and engage with users. So the best part of Firebase documents is, as you can see, is how approachable they are. Everything is well structured in their own boxes, and everything is very beginner friendly and includes practical code you can copy and run. So whether you're building your first app or looking to scale, Firebase makes backend development way more manageable and doable. And you can check out these docs at firebase.google.com/docs. And thanks for watching.